It's another day, another teola, another cycle at Makwala Agri. So welcome to my 1-week-old broiler chicks that I have currently in my chicken house. I don't know what happened, but unfortunately, my 2 infrared light went off. I don't know what happened, but they went off. I'm only left with 1 light now. But yeah, man, it seems like my chicken are starting to feel cold because I've opened this plastic that actually separated the rest of the house with the brooder. So, but now they're starting to feel cold because there's a little bit of air coming in, and we don't have enough infrared lights that actually provide heat for our chickens. So we will sort that one out later today. But for now, what I'm here to do is actually to take care of this. The bedding on our brooding space, it looks terrible, but don't worry, it's newspaper on top, underneath it's wood shaving. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is to actually try to remove the newspaper, and then we leave our chicks on the wood shaving. So far, what are the things that we have done in this cycle? Our chicken have been eating starter feed. I actually went back to my favorite company, which is Rosgro. So yeah, I bought Magnum this time, and because one of the reasons is because they were cheap compared to Nova. So you guys know that in the past year I've been using Nova. So this year I think we're gonna go back to Rosgro since Nova prices went up and crazy. So we're gonna go back to Rosgro until we find another cheap brand we go into. I'm all about cheap and good quality brand. So not just any cheap brand, cheap and quality. Remember that. So when we're talking about cheap and quality, I think I did a video the other day. I was talking about when you buy your feed, you must look into the protein. Not sure if this bag, no, we don't have the paper on this bag that I wanted to show you guys. But before we waste any time, let me get to work as what we came here to do. So what I'm here to do, guys, obviously is to remove the newspaper. But let's talk about the mortality rate before we go any further. Today we came to the chicken house. We found this one, the first chick that has died, and then we have this one. When I talk about genetically bad, this is the chick that I'm talking about. This chick has been like this since day one, and it refused to die. I don't know why. So we took it out as well, out of the brooder. Genetically, it's bad. This chick genetically, it's bad, very, very, very bad. So what I'm here to do now is to take out the newspaper, and we refill our water, we refill our drinker with water, and then we refill our feeders with water, we refill our feeders with some feed.